inappropriate thought comes, negative thought will come, poor diet, please lack of exercise. This is a normal what do you call it, Indian name. Everybody, I think all the people in the world is having the same kind of experience as Indians. So everybody is having the same thing, inappropriate response, negative thoughts, poor diet, lack of exercise, right? It will lead to hypertension, tiredness, irritability, general depression. That may lead to exhaustion, and that may lead to mental breakdown or disease. Okay. We can deal with our stresses in much more constructive ways. One of the ways is using EFT to deal with our day-to-day stress. Okay. Now, enough of problems. Okay, I'm going to come into one way which can help you deal with your stress in a better way. Okay, before that, any question? Any kind of question or anything that you want to ask? Any thought about stress or anything? No? Okay, there are two ways in which we can learn EFT. One is if one of you can come over here and if they want to deal with their own stress, any one particular stress that they are going through. Okay. If you want, I would like to use it as a demonstration, and we are going to do a borrowing benefits kind of a thing, wherein I'll be doing the tapping thing with I'll be using EFT with somebody who's sitting over here. Everybody will be doing the same thing, saying the same thing, but they will be benefiting from the experience. So we can do it that way, or we can do it in a group way, whatever is okay by you. Anyone who is ready to volunteer will be great. Would want to share the stress that they... Okay, fine, good. Okay, just a minute. So before that, I'll just explain you the process of EFT and little bit history of EFT. Okay, EFT is the full form. As I said, it's an emotional freedom techniques. It's based on... Some of y'all know EFT, I know. If y'all can answer. Based on? Sorry? Acupressure. Okay, good. Acupressure and energy psychology. Okay. It was developed by Mr. Gary Craig, who is an engineer, by the way, not psychologist or psychiatrist. And in 1990, I suppose, he learnt it from Dr. Roger Callahan, who was a psychiatrist. But he learnt TFT from Dr. Roger Callahan, and he developed EFT. Now TFT is thought field therapy, and EFT is emotional freedom therapy, emotional freedom techniques. Now TFT original was TFT, thought field therapy, and Gary Craig, he developed EFT. He simplified TFT. Okay. Now in EFT, what we have to do is we have to tap on certain parts of our body, and we need to say certain things. TFT and EFT, the basic difference is in EFT, whatever problem you have, the points are the same, common points. But in TFT, with every problem, the point changes. Okay, so for example, you have anxiety, the points that you will tap will be different. For fear, there will be different set of points. But what Gary did is he simplified it, and what he did is he took the common points, and for all the problems, the same points can be used. So that's a basic difference. Okay. The basic premise of EFT is that all the negative emotions are caused by a disruption in our energy system. Now, if we are learning EFT, we have to keep in mind that it is based on acupressure, and acupressure believes that there is an energy system going on in our body. Okay, that is continuous electricity kind of a thing going on in our body. And whenever there is a disruption or imbalance, the problem happens. Okay, when we tap like this, the electricity or the energy becomes balanced. So what we are doing is balancing our energy system that affects our emotion. Okay, so I'll be telling you the points. The first point is this point, karate chop point. It's called karate chop point because karate master chops things, bricks and all. Any hand, you can use any hand. It's a very flexible process. Whichever hand you're comfortable with, you can use one finger or all your 4 fingers or 2 or 3, anything. You can tap like this. Okay, this is the first point, karate chop point. Then there is this point on the top of your head where your crown chakra is, if people are aware of yoga. Okay, then you will be tapping just like it should touch your body. Should not be very hard or very soft. Okay, the point is at the edge of the eyebrow, but what I do is I tap over here, so both the points gets covered at the same time. Then at the side of the eye where the soft spot is, under your eyes where your bone is, right? Then under your nose, your chin, there is a deep part in chin. Then your collarbone, any side of the collarbone, on the collarbone where there is, okay, and under your arm. Okay. If we are learning basic EFT, then there are some additional points also which we have to learn. That is on the thumb, on the upper part of the thumb near your nail, yes, then on your index finger, then middle finger. You have to leave this point finger, little finger, and this. This is one set of EFT. Okay. Now, I said basic EFT. Okay, this is a long. This is the basic setup, basic set of points that was given by Gary. What I do is I use the shortcut version. Okay, shortcut version is till here. I don't use this point. But as we are tapping with our hands, okay, the fingers, so this point gets activated on its own. One of the reasons why I don't use this is that. Okay, so what I want you to do is that, and what do we have to do? What do we have to say? Okay, what I'll be doing with him will be a little bit on an advanced level. Okay, when you go home, you don't have to do all those things. You don't have to say all those things, which I'm going to say. The basic thing is you're going to tap over here and say whatever problem if you have. If you, for example, if I am stressed about my child's exam, just an example. Okay, so you will be tapping like this and you will say, even though I am really stressed about my child's exam, I totally and completely love and accept myself. Okay, so you will be saying that thing 3 times while tapping over here. Okay, then I'm stressed about my child's exam. 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 I'm stressed about my exam. Okay, got it? Simple enough? Okay, if you all are practicing at home, because you all are just starting it, go with the basic. Okay, what I'm going to do with him is going to be little advanced because I'm doing it from last 3 years, so I'm used to it. Because sometimes what happens is when they see me doing it, and when they're not able to repeat those statements at home, they get frustrated and stop doing it. I don't want you all to do it. For me, it's a day-to-day thing. It comes automatically into me, and I guarantee if you all are going to practice it on your own, it will come automatically to you also. But as you all are just starting it, go with the basic thing. Okay, you don't start making spellings before learning ABCD, right? So learn ABCD first and then go on to making spellings. Okay, please stop. Sorry. These are the points which when we tap on those points, the energy system gets balanced. These are all meridian points that has been identified by Chinese medicine. Okay, and when I'm going to demonstrate with him whatever I am saying or whatever he is saying, you all are going to repeat the same thing, whether you all are facing the same problem or not. Okay, what we are doing over here is borrowing benefit. Okay, so what if he is saying something which is totally unrelated to your problem, somewhere your subconscious mind will find a connection and will get through that problem. The reason I'm telling you this is that one of the best example of borrowing benefit is I was 68 kgs and in I think March month I had 3 cases consequently of weight problem. Okay, with EFT you can deal with weight problem also. In a month's time I lost 6 kgs without exercise, without doing anything extra. Okay, I was doing it for that person, I was not doing it for myself. Okay, so that's a borrowing benefit. I am borrowing benefit every day with my clients. So if my client has some issue and I deal with that, I will deal with their problem. Okay, I will tell them to deal with their problem. I will be saying the same thing. My subconscious mind somewhere finds the similarity and clears my issue. Okay, so even if you do not have the same problem as he has, or you may be having, but if you do not have, still say the same thing what he is saying. Okay, fine. Hello sir, what's your name? Okay, thank you for volunteering. Okay, and is it okay if you want to share whatever the stress that you're going through?
Actually, just sort of or crossed the negative.
Okay, so doctors told you that you've got a diabetes.